Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, check this out. Here we have the Parrot ANAFI, which we're all used to, and there we have the controller, which, as you probably all know, does not have a lot of space here if you want to put anything larger than a phone. Like I have quite a large phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and yeah, it fits in there, but I couldn't get much else in there. Like that is pretty much the max size that it will take. So a lot of people want to put an iPad mini in there or something larger. Well, there's a guy on the internet called Dale, and he's got all his stuff is on eBay. This is all 3D printed, so you get what looks to be like, what the heck happened here? This is all pieces. So all these pieces are provided because it's a 3D printed unit, and this is what it looks like when it's put together. This is actually an attachment to put an iPad mini on your little controller here for the Parrot ANAFI. Let me show you quick. So you can see on this 3D printed device that you got these little claws at the bottom. Now watch this. I'm going to take my little controller, flip it upside down, open this up right here, make some space, take these little claws, stick them in there, and guess what? Now I can put an iPad mini. You say, what? How can that be possible? Well, let me just show you. Let me find one here. There's an iPad mini right here. So it just slides in there and it slides in there. Ta-da! There you go. There's your iPad mini. Now, if you're flying around, I would say Dale has told me that you can put larger tablets in your controller, but it gets quite heavy. And now that I'm holding this iPad mini, I would say that is the max weight you'd want. It's not super heavy, but it is a little bit heavy, but you know, he also includes this piece, and if I take this piece and stick it here, then I can attach a lanyard onto my controller and put it around my neck, so it's not too heavy. So let me show you this with a much larger tablet. Watch this. So on his website, which I'm going to put the link below if you haven't already seen it, you have to pick in advance what size tablet or device you're going to use with your little controller, and then you get the right size. So this is another one he sent me, and this is for a much larger tablet, and I'm going to assemble it right now. So it's basically just two pieces, stick them together, and you get two screws. And these screws are threaded, and he includes a nice little Allen key that's part of the package. Thread them and screw them in, and when it's all assembled, you never have to disassemble it. Here I have this huge Samsung Galaxy tablet, and I'm going to stick it with this small controller. Watch this. Same idea. Take Dale's device, open this up. Now I'm going to use the larger one. And I'm also going to add this little piece, only because just to show you that you can also attach a lanyard. So this small piece, slide it in the neck and slide it down. And there we go. Now we're all ready to put a large tablet in here. You do the same if you're using an iPad. And there we have it, all one piece. Now there is a bit more weight with this large tablet on here, but it's still quite usable. You could fly with your large tablet. Sorry about all the light glare, but it could work. Now you see on here, I'm just going to bring it close so you can actually see. See that piece of plastic has a hole in it, and you can hook on your lanyard onto that and hang this whole thing off your neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links below to Dale's site on eBay. He says he ships internationally no matter where you are. One last note, if I haven't already mentioned it, when you order the product, make sure you order the right size for the device you have. If you have an iPad mini, order the iPad mini. If you have an iPad, the normal size one, order the one for the iPad, and so on and so forth. And there you go. So if you have a product you'd like me to review on my channel, well, contact me at my Captain Drone email address below someplace here, and let me know about it. And if I think it's something cool that everybody else would love to see, well, then I'll give you my shipping address. You can send it to me, and I will probably review it if I have time. Dale knows that this took several months for me to get around to review it, and I finally done it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a nice thumbs up and give Dale some love and send him a comment or two below as well so he knows you like his product. And we'll catch you in the next video where we'll be getting back to drones. Take care.